Hey everyone, welcome back to Classical Finance. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to tag someone in Google Sheets using the function. Whether you're collaborating with coworkers, sharing a budget with your family, or working on a group project, tagging someone directly in your sheet can make your communication quicker and a whole lot clearer. By the end of this video, you'll know two simple ways to tag people, making sure your comments and notes get noticed every single time. Alright, let's dive right in. First up, I'm going to walk you through how to use the icon in a blank cell. Start by selecting a cell where you want to tag someone. Simply click on any empty cell to get started. Now with that cell selected, press Shift and the number 2 key on your keyboard at the same time. On most keyboards, this will instantly bring up the symbol. Think of the icon as a little digital tap on the shoulder. It tells Google Sheets that you want to mention or tag someone, just like tagging a friend in the comments of a social media post. Once you've pressed Shift+2 and you see the pop up, Google Sheets will automatically suggest the email addresses that are associated with this particular sheet or workspace. Usually this means your own email, plus any collaborators who already have access to the sheet. For example, if you're running a team expense report, you can quickly tag your teammate to review their numbers. Just start typing their name or email right after the and Sheets will try to fill it in for you. Select the right person and voila, they'll get notified just like magic. Now, sometimes you might want to add a bit more context when you tag someone, like asking a question or giving direction. That's where comments come in handy, and there's another great way to tag someone directly from a comment. Here, how you do it: right-click on any cell where you want to add your note. From the menu that pops up, choose Comment. A small comment box will appear at the side. Inside this comment box, you're going to press Shift+2 once again to bring up that all-important function. Just like before, start typing the email address or the name of whoever you want to notify, and Google Sheets will offer suggestions. This method is especially useful when you need someone to look at a specific number or section in your sheet. For example, let's say you notice a budgeting error. You can click the cell, tag the person in the comment, and ask them to take a second look. As soon as you post the comment, Sheets will send an email notification to that person, drawing their attention exactly where it's needed. And don't worry if you don't see their email right away. Sometimes Google Sheets takes a moment to load all your contacts, especially if you have a big team. So to recap, you can tag someone directly into a cell using or you can leave a more detailed comment with a tag for extra context. Both methods are quick, efficient, and a real game changer for working together in Google Sheets. And that's it, you've got everything you need to start tagging your colleagues, friends, or family members in Google Sheets like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Classical Finance for more clear and practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.